everyone, welcome to my 2021 work from home desk setup tour, where I'm going to be showing you where I spend most of my time working, studying and making YouTube videos. So I was never really someone who cared about having a clean desk with multiple monitors and a proper chair, mechanical keyboards and all that. I just kind of sat around the house in random places doing my work. But as we spend more and more time at home now, I realized how important creating a proper work environment was when it came to improving productivity and just being able to focus without too many distractions. And so over the past 5 months, I've watched dozens of videos where YouTubers share their desk setups, and I got really inspired by how much thought and effort was put into them. I decided to give it a go myself, and I can say I'm pretty proud of the end result. So let's jump right into the video and I'll show you around. Alright, so as we walk into the room, the first thing you'll see is my desk. I bought this desk from Amazon and it's the artist standing desk, and there were quite a few tabletops to choose from. What I really like about this desk though is that it can adjust to a pretty decent height, which is really good because I'm pretty tall, but you can save up to 5 heights and easily switch between them. I would say this was a pretty good purchase for me because I don't think I can ever go back to just using a normal desk again. I kind of need this sit-stand option, so I can see myself using this desk for a long time. Now let's move on to what I have on my desk. So to power up my workstation, I use this MacBook Pro, and this was sent to me by work. So I use this for my day-to-day tasks, editing videos, and just everything work-related. I also have a personal laptop that I use for everything non-work related, like watching movies, playing games, all that. And if I ever want to switch between the two, I just plug it in the monitor and I'll be able to use that instead. So for my laptop stand, I decided to get this 12 South book arc. And you can prop your laptop in here. Oops, I think wrong way around. You can prop it in here and it can sit quite nicely on the desk. I think it looks quite aesthetic, it's quite sleek, a bit overpriced in my opinion, but I think the only other negative part to it is that your laptop is clamped shut, so you can't really do video calls without having an external webcam. Since I don't have an external webcam, I need to just open up the laptop while I do my video calls, so I won't be able to use this all the time. Next, I have this keyboard and mouse. So the keyboard is the Keychron K2. At the start when I was using it, I was getting a lot of wrist pain and my hands were hurting because it's too high. So I wouldn't recommend this for people who just want to get this keyboard by itself. What I had to do was I had to buy this extra wrist rest, and I've been having no pain or any troubles with the keyboard ever since. It's pretty good because it has a nice sound to it. And I bought the one that sounds the most quiet so that during my work calls and everything, I'm not going to be distracting everyone else. This mouse was one of the cheapest wireless mouse I could find by Logitech, and I got this off Amazon, and I didn't really find the need to buy one of those fancy mouse that have a lot more extra functionalities. My favorite item on the desk by far is this Divoom Tivoo Max. And this is essentially a Bluetooth speaker, but it has so many more functionalities. And one of my favorite functionalities is the fact that it can display some pixel art. I can connect it to my phone and select the artwork I want. There's thousands of artworks to choose from, and you can also create your own. So pretty cool. I really like it because I can just choose any image I want, put it down on the side, and it's something nice to have beside me as I do my day-to-day tasks. So for multiple screens and a bigger display, I decided to go with these 2 Dell monitors and also a Vivo monitor arm. I actually got these 2 monitors for free because they came with my Amazon internship, but I decided to get a monitor mount so that I can have these 2 monitors side by side and for it to have more of a floating effect. Moving on to the next thing on my desk, this is a T2 water bottle, and it specifically is designed to put tea leaves inside and you can pour hot water, and it's double insulated by glass. I really like it. I think it's quite portable, and it's able to keep water or tea quite warm. Next we have this little plant. I think I got it from Kmart like 5-6 years ago. There's nothing really useful about this. I think it just adds a bit of a nice touch. We have these coasters. There's 4 of them. I probably only need one at a time, to be honest. $70 from Amazon, probably not really worth the cost, but I think it looks really nice on the desk. It adds a really nice touch to it. It's very similar to this plant, except this plant was only like $3. But yeah, really like it, and whenever I have a jug of hot water or anything like that, I can just put it on top of the coasters, and that way it won't be able to leave any marks on my desk. Next, I have this wireless rechargeable lamp. You can change the color just by tapping on it. It's RGB. You can also use a remote control to control the colors even further, but I think I lost the remote. But yeah, it was $25 and I think it was pretty worth the price, and I'll recommend getting it. Link in the description below. I also have this wireless charger, which I really like because I can just prop my phone directly on it and be able to use the Face ID without having to take it off or get distracted. Something else on my desk that I really like are these Sony wireless headphones. These are noise cancelling, and yeah, I can't really hear myself anymore, but I use this when listening to music and also for watching videos. Not really for video calls because I wanted to just use something wired, something simple, and also I want to be able to hear myself during the calls, but this is really good for listening to music and blocking out noise when I need to. I also have these printed daily planner sheets, and I was always trying to find a really good tracking system to plan out my days, and I've tried all sorts of online methods, you know, Notion, all of that. It just never really worked for me because I prefer pen and paper. A bit extra, but what I did was I designed this on Canva. So I included the date, urgent, not urgent, for tomorrow and long term, and I also have a daily highlight. So as long as I get whatever is on my daily highlight done, I would feel like that's a productive day. On my desk, there's also this huge mouse desk pad that's double-sided. So red and black, and this keeps my desk from getting dirty because I'm protecting it by using this. One more thing on my desk is this blue Yeti microphone. I use this for voiceovers for my videos, but not really for voice calls or anything like that. So I only use it occasionally, not all the time, but this is just something I put on my desk as well. Under my desk is where I hide the whole mess of cables. There are so many different cables that I need to power up my workstation, and I have these 2 wire boxes in order for me to store everything neatly. And to add a bit of an ambient glow to my setup, I have a LifeX strip running along the edge of my desk, and I can use my phone to control the colors and the brightness. And there you have it. That was my 2021 work from home desk setup. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is in the whole setup. As always, please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.